start out by saying my Louis Vuitton sales associate is the best, the bomb. She's the most beautiful person. She knows how to make me happy. Let me put it that way. So, I think I'm gonna have to do it in the order in which it came. I started to share with you the smaller box, but I'm gonna share with you the bigger one and tell you how all this went down. If you're confused, just hang on here. Just stick with me. All right, you guys, big box coming through. Oh man, is this a big one? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, now, what came in this box is something that I absolutely flipped my lid over when I saw it, okay? Your girl lost it. When I saw what was in this box I thought, I have to have it. And what did I do? Immediately, I texted Becca, and I'm like, Becca, I have to have it. Get it for me. So, I have it now, thanks to Becca. It came straight from the factory from France, okay? But it's not in this box anymore, you guys, because I've used it. Oh yeah, there was no way I was going to wait. So, what came in this box was, of course, wait, that's Coach. That was thrown in there. Okay, what came in the box, of course, was the beautiful Christmas ribbon. I really like that, you guys. And I think I'm going to make a Christmas ornament, the one like Dawn did, where she stuffed it all down in a clear ornament. That was really smart, Dawn. And then also this was tied on it, and everybody's loving it, saying they're going to put, what do you call? Well, you put the plastic over it and use it as a bag charm. I'm not going to do that, but I think that's really pretty. But that's all that came in the bag. Of course, the little lock and key. It's all, everything's, you know, separated in here. Okay. So, knowing me the way you do, what bag do you think it is I flipped over? What bag do you think came in this giant box? Thumbnail. All right. Now, when the bag came, Keith said, you are not looking in there. I'm like, let me just look and see if they put a holiday bag in there, because I have to have a holiday bag. And he's like, no, you are not looking in there. I'm taking it back to work and I'm going to wrap it, okay? He would not let me even as much as look in the box. So I didn't know. So I texted Becca and I'm like, I have to have the holiday bag because I have quite a few of them and I want to, you know, frame them. I have a collection going on here. And she said, Yota, I don't think the holiday bag is in that box because it came straight from the factory, straight from France. And I'm like, oh my gosh, what do I do? She said, well, I think she said something like, you have to make a purchase. So I'm like, oh, what can I get? What can I get? I wanted, you know, so I thought I need to get something that's not terribly expensive. And I was trying to think, what do I need? At first I found some earrings. I thought I needed them and I would have gotten them, but they weren't in stock. So Becca said, they're not in stock, but I can order. And I'm like, nah, don't order. I didn't really want to put her through any trouble. So I thought, you know what I need? And I wanted it last year. I wanted, hold on guys, hold on peeps. I wanted the Louis Vuitton, the agenda or refills. So in this box with more ribbon came my Louis Vuitton agenda refill for my large agenda. I'm super excited because I really wanted it last year. I think they were sold out at the time and I ordered something else and it was okay. But this will be my first time ever having a Louis Vuitton agenda. And it was really something that I've wanted and I needed because I live by my agendas, okay? So, along with that, she also texted me and said she put some goodies in there for me. And she always treats me so well, better than I deserve. She wrote a really sweet note. Thank you, Yota. I appreciate all your sweet words all year long, Becca. And then, and everything's out of the box now, but she sent me 5 different scents, 5 different samples. Thank you, Becca. 2 of them are Atelier Rêves, which is my absolute favorite. She also sent me the Louis Vuitton Orage. Is that how you say it, Becca? And Imagination. And Attrapé Rêves, and another Imagination. So yeah, I always carry perfumes in my makeup bag like many of us do. You know, so anyway, she always puts me some little goodies in there, and I'm really super excited to fill up my agenda this year with an actual Louis Vuitton refill. So I'm excited. I haven't really checked it out, you guys. I kind of did online, but I'm going to check it out tonight. All right, guys. So here is the bag. So she sent me her bag. She said she had a bag put back for herself, and she sent me her bag. I absolutely love. I would have been happy with a tiny one, any bag, because this may be my favorite of all the holiday bags that they've ever put out. I absolutely love it. I have, you know, several of them, but you guys, look how beautiful. I love the navy and the gold. And I told her, I said, Becca, even a small bag, but she sent me a really beautiful size bag, and I'm going to be going to Hobby Lobby next week, and I'm going to be getting this beautiful bag framed. So this is a gift too. Thank you, Becca. I mean, I'm so thrilled over this bag. I'm just as thrilled over this as the, oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot to show you what came in the big box. Ah, okay. I'm just as thrilled over this and my agenda as what came in the big box. I look over there and there it is saying, what about me? What about me? Are you going to show me? Okay, so you guys, I never say this, but without further ado, let me share with you the bag that I had you guys guess about. I get carried away sometimes. Guys. Ah! Look at this. It is the Speedy 30, the soft. Oh my freaking stars. You guys, when I was looking on the website and I saw this, I said, self, that is you in a bag. I think I may have said that a time or two, but I mean it this time more than I ever have before. You guys, it's got silver hardware. It's got this really cool chain. Oh my gosh. And it has like, it's a decorative chain. You see that? Cool silver hardware. Monogram in black. You might say, Yota, how much monogram in black do you have to have? Well, as much as I freaking want, you guys, because I love it. It's my favorite. I love monogram in black. I'm actually going to sell one of my monogram in black bags. I'll share with that with you guys later. Not in this video, in another video. So really, it's like one in, one out. I don't usually do that, but anywho, you guys. It came with this, and I don't think I have it on right, but that's the best I could do. Pretty sure. Came with this beautiful tassel. I could even take this tassel off and put it on something else. And I love the shoulder strap. Look at the shoulder strap. Like, you know what? I did not realize that it came with a shoulder strap. I just thought it was like a 30 Speedy, like, you know, like my 25s. I love it, you guys. And this is the way I carried it. I carried it for several days. I need to back up. So yeah. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Don't mind me and my soft Speedy 30 with the shoulder strap. I love it, you guys. And then I love the fact that these handles just, you know, flop down. You guys, I've been using a lot smaller bags lately, but now I'm thinking big bags are back, baby. Yes, and they are. But it's not too big, you know? So, as I said, I probably used it 3 or 4 days since I got it. And I love it, you guys. It's gorgeous. And I feel like the canvas feels softer on this one. I mean, it is called the Speedy Soft, but it's so soft. Imagine that. Okay, and on the inside, of course, it's just a big hole, and it's very soft on the inside too. I don't quite think I could get my head in there, but it feels velvety on the inside. It does have a big pocket here that I tend to put my house keys and my wallet there for quick access. But you guys, I'm loving this bag. Oh my stars. I absolutely love it. And when I carry it like this, I just let the shoulder strap dangle, and you know, I can take some of these pieces off and put them on other bags. I actually have another bag that has one of these. I need to see how it was put on there, because that's not, I didn't put it on there right, but it doesn't look too bad. But anyway, that is my Christmas bag, along with my STAUD bag. Love, you guys, I got 2 bags, and I'm thrilled. Well, 3 bags. I got 3 bags. So, oops, 3 bags. I absolutely love these handbags. So, what do you guys think? Are you a fan of the silver hardware? Because I love it. I'm digging it big time, you guys. So that is all I got for Christmas from my husband. He is just too good to me, and I love him so much. And I love you guys. And yeah, drop a couple of lines below. Let me know what your biggie was. Let me know in the comment section below what you got for Christmas. I would love to know. All right, guys, I will come back soon. As I said, we spent the night in Huntsville shopping. I've got a huge, huge haul here, you guys. And their clothing. And I'm not going to do a try-on haul. You guys, I can't. You guys, I've gained some pounds. So, I'm going to share with you all the stuff that I got. So, that's coming up. But the next video is definitely going to be my review on my Speedy Trunk 20. I've been promising, and I'm going to stick to my promise. Love you all so much. Peace.